Hello to all my dear student and parents. Welcome to the Urban Pro. And let me brief about myself. My name is Shivam Pandey. I live in Surat, Gujarat. And if I talk about my educational qualification, so I'm a postgraduate B.Ed teacher. If I talk about my total experience, so from since last 5 years, I have been working with the CBSE schools and as well as in tuitions. In the school, I basically teach grade 9, 10th, and my subject is social science. So let me tell you about what is something special about social science and what is my experience here. So if I talk about social science, so those students who are not interested in social science and face problem in social science, the reason behind that, maybe they just think that it's a boring subject, or maybe he didn't get a proper teacher. Actually, what happened, let me tell you with my experience in the class, because I have taught more than thousands of students. So for SST, when a teacher teach in the class, so there is a lot of data, like in a history, in a civics, a lot of data. So they simply teach, and students have to learn because they have to gain marking. But let me tell you, assisting is like a subject now where the student should be more involved than the teacher. The involvement of student should be more with the different techniques which we use. Use the example which are related to the student in recent life, daily life. And for that you have to, as a teacher, we should know the student better. And I am good in that. I don't keep separate from the student to myself in the school or in the tuition. I get involved. I just like to be like their generation so that my examples should relate with them. You can go and read the reviews on my profile. Many of the 9th 10th student has given a very nice review regarding my SST subject teaching, and it's all reviews are given by the genuine student from the school and from the tuitions. And let me tell you, my achievement is like that means. In the board results also I have found my students have scored well in my subject, and many weak students get interested into that. Like recently, if I talk about the new education policy, you can see now those questions are coming on the MCQs based and case based study. So the teacher who are teaching from the traditional method, it will not work in SST. So right now, that's why I'm good in that. This is the reason. If you will connect with me, I will make I will teach you like that so that this study questions will be easier for you, because we will discuss through the cases all the topics. What I basically do. If you talk about the test weekly and assignments, so yeah, I take test, but after once a things completed, when a chapter is completed, there will be a definitely text connected by me. But before that, in between the class, I basically prefer to take test. It's not a test that will shock you. It's not like that I will ask you something and you will shock. No, it will be a normal case which is related to your life. Even in my class, basically my student enjoy more than me, because many times they themselves explain the topic and they get the better result, better understanding, because social is not about all scoring good marks. Social is a subject which make you more human. So if you want to be more human, if you want to be a genius person and gentle citizen of the country, and wants to love the SST, so you are welcome here. I will be blessed to help you. I would like to serve you, and I hope you will also get better result as I have given earlier to my other students. So for my side, that's enough. Bye everyone.